Academy, and today I'll be showing you how to create your own transaction. A lot of people are there saying like I'm speaking so fast, so I'll try to slow it down. So guys, on this video I would like to show you how to create your own transaction. What is a transaction? A transaction, it is an effect which help you to switch from one clip to another. So on this one I'll be using both Videopad and Videopad. So the first thing you need to do, you need to come to files, go to file, go to new. So what I'll be doing is obviously in 1920 times 1980, just go to preset, then you choose diskette. Then I'll come to allow. Okay, let's just use a red, let's just use red and yellow. So first we'll use this color. So this is the first color we'll use. Go again, go to new, go there, and then you'll go here, then you'll go to yellow, then we use yellow, then you select, then lastly we use green. This is how you create your own style of transaction. Sometimes people want to create transaction that no one ever used before. Then you go around this area, then you can go to this color. This one is kind of simple. The transaction that I will be making is very simple. Just come around this area, then click delete. You can take the same thing, you move it somewhere around this area, click delete, then you remove it on somewhere, then you click delete again, then let's drag it to the top. Okay, this area is very small, it comes this side, then you click delete. So you click Ctrl D just to delete that and select me. Then we have two so we have this picture with those circles, then we have this yellow with nothing else. Then you can go straight to suit, then you click that Videopad. It will send everything on Videopad straight to Videopad. Then we have everything here. Then you can take your green, put your green below. We can make it around until 3 seconds. Let's just use until 5. Just use it until 5. Let's just put this here, then you just drag it there until you can see 5. Okay, until that area. Then you can, around this area, you can start to add this color. So you want this color to come from the right side. You need to think, obviously you need to think how you should do it. So come to FX, go to motion, then after you here on motion, just go click here and go straight to the last part. You click that add button, go straight around the spot, then you need to push it vertical. Okay, then you shall put this one again, push it horizontal 100% negative. You can see it's still there. Just go straight to this button, then you can push it downwards and make sure you cannot see anything. Okay, click X so you can see. Now you just slowly come until it is filled. After it's filled in this area, it is fully filled. Then what you will like to do, you like to take your yellow. That's when you add your yellow. Put your yellow as an overlay again. Just drag it straight to the top. And what's happening? Okay, go straight to the end. Then take your red, push your red upwards. Your red should be on top, your yellow should be below. Zoom it a little bit. You need to be here around this area. That's where your yellow should appear. Or your yellow can come from this area until that area. Then you can still add FX to your yellow. You want your yellow to come from top to below. Now you can go to position and come straight to the end. You add, come straight around this area, straight to the beginning. You push it that side. That means so it will face one another, but yellow will be more fast. So let's play it one more time. I hope you saw what you just did. Then from this 10 point, we have a clip here. Okay, let's just save this. Let's just export it. Since we use HD, so we'll export it to HD and let's use 25 frames per second. Okay. Okay, now it's time to delete everything we have here. It's time to delete everything we have here. Then let's go to videos. This is the first video I will use. Come right to it and upload it around at the beginning. Come on. Okay. Then I have to go straight to this untitled video. Open on Videopad. Okay, now we have this clip. Okay. To effects, go to green screen. at this point you need to add another clip. When it covers everything on the screen, that's when you need to add another clip. Another thing that I'll advise is try to speed it up. You need to speed this up. Let's go for 300, 400 for a perfect example. Let's put this below. This is where it should be. A little bit, then push it to the left. You can also speed it up again. Let's go for 900. Yes, I'm sure. You can zoom it just to make sure it's on the right spot. There's so many advanced transactions. This is just a basic one on how to do like the basic transaction. There's so many advanced transactions you can do. This is just a basic one. Don't tell me I placed it on the wrong place. Oh, you saw that one. So the moment like it's slide, it totally change. So another some of the thing you can add lights so that it can flash on this transaction. So guys, that is the basic of adding transaction, and this was the simplest one. I'll do part 2, a little bit advanced one. Yeah, thank you so much.